Listen, children. You learn the story Lion and the Mouse. You know the story? Yes. So see, here I have lion. See, what is this? Lion.
Lion.
And what is this?
Mouse.
Mouse. Can you say where does a lion live? Where does a lion live?
Forest.
Forest. Yeah, see, lion lives in a forest. Forest is very big. Lion lives there. Where is a mouse live?
Hole.
Hole. See, a lion lives in a forest and a mouse lives in a den.
Hole.
Look at this lion and look at this mouse. Can lion goes to live in hole? Say yes
No.
or no? No. Why? Why you know? The hole is very small. This lion can't go and live in a hole. Okay? So, see, I am asking some questions about this story. You have to see who is big in this story?
Lion.
Lion. And who is small in this story?
You.
Mouse. Very good, student. Very good answer you have given. So, see, the lion lives in a jungle and the mouse lives in a hole. Yes? See, this story, no. Lion, this mouse was playing on lion's body and the lion catch the mouse in his paw. That time, mouse say, let me go. What lion says to the mouse? You are too small and I am too big. Mouse says, one day I will help you, sure. But lion says, you are too small and I am too big. How can you help me? What happened, you know? And at the end of the story, a mouse helped this lion. You like this story, no? Yes. Now, see, the moral of the story is, the moral of the story is, any small creatures can help us. So today our topic is big and small. Okay, in maths. Now, see, what is this?
Big.
Big. Lion.
Lion.
Lion is a big animal. And what is this? Tell me.
Mouse.
Mouse is a small animal. So lion is big and mouse is small. Okay. Yes. Now I am showing you some toys. You have to say that is big or small. And see, today's our proverb is, every little creature has its own importance. Can you see this proverb? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, remember this proverb. Now I am showing you some toys. See, look at this. What is this? Tell me.
Monkey.
Hello, friends.
Hello.
Monkey is your friend. Now, look at this. What is this?
Monkey.
Monkey.
Small monkey.
So, yeah, this is big monkey and this is small
Small
monkey.
monkey.
Okay. Now, look at this. What is this?
Joker.
Joker. So tell me which is big and which is small?
Big.
First one is, yes, first
Small.
one is big and second one is small. Now what is this? Look at this.
Big
Can you
ball
see?
and small ball.
Big ball and small ball. Big football is big and this small ball is small. Orange ball is small. Now look at this. What is this?
Box.
So pink box is big and other one is small.
Small.
One boy and girl. So boy is big or girl is big?
Big. Girl is small.
Girl is small, boy is Big.
Big.
See, this is, what is this? Bird. And this is also a bird. Which bird is big? Which bird is small? Can you say?
Yellow, orange, big.
Orange big and blue one small. Very good.
Blue small.
Very good answer. Now here turtle is there. Say, which turtle is big?
White.
White, and this yellow one is small.
Small.
Okay. Now see, I am putting here some, I am showing you some toys. You have to give answer to me. What is this? Tell me.
Gun.
Gun.
Big
Which
and
gun?
small.
Big and small. Very good. Very good, Shruti. Now, here, this is, what is this? Can you say what is this?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. So,
Blue, purple, big and small. Yellow.
yellow small. Very good. Then, here, this is a top. Yes? What is
Top.
this top? Huh. So,
Orange, big. Purple, small.
very nice answer. Look at this. What is this?
Jeep.
Jeep and car. So,
Police.
policeman's car and one jeep is there. So,
Door.
so this jeep is big and car is small. Yes. Then here, see, sanitizer bottle.
Sanitizer.
Yeah. So which bottle is
One
big?
sanitizer small, one sanitizer big.
Excellent answer. And this is, what is this? Can you say?
Aeroplane.
So which aeroplane is big and which is small?
Blue big, red small.
Yeah. Okay, very good. Now see here. I am showing you this ball. This is small ball. Yes. Now I will open this. Now it is
Big
big.
ball.
Yes, big ball. And this is small
Small
ball.
ball.
Okay. Now I am showing you one chart. Look at this. Can you see?
Big, small.
Yes.
Big, small.
Big, small. So now you say, what is this? Smiley face. So this first smiley face is
Big,
big and this another one is
small.
small. Here one square paper. Yes. So this black paper is
Big,
big and this orange paper is
small.
small. Very nice. Very nice. Then look at here. Leaf is there. Huh. Yeah.
Leaf.
One leaf is big and one leaf is small.
Small.
So this is big and small.
Small.
Yes. Now you have to see some fruits. You have to say fruits. Okay. Say this apple is big.
Big.
This apple is
Small.
small. This mango is
Big.
big. This mango is small.
Small.
Then tell.
Orange, big.
Big orange, small orange. Big banana, small banana. Yes. Now, see, you are seeing, see, many things we are using in our day-to-day life. Yes, you know what you are using. Pencil, sketch pen, scale, all these things you are having. No. See here, this scale is big and small. This sketch pen, this pencil, this all the things we are using in our day-to-day life. Look at this. This is a Fevicol. This is big bottle and this is small bottle. Then see your mama is using this utensils in kitchen. See, this is a tiffin box, small and big. This is a glass, small and big. This vati. This is also
Big and big.
big and small. Okay, and this is, what is this?
Big and small.
Yes, big and small. And this also big and small. Okay, very good, student. Yes. Now let us play. Let us play one game with numbers. Okay. Let us start. See, you have to wait. I am explaining you. See, I have put here which number 2 and 6 number. So 2 and 6, which number is big? 6 number is
Six.
big. And 2 number is
Big.
no. Now you have to say
Five.
only. Now you have to
Five.
say here only big numbers. Okay. Here 4.
Seven
Which
big. Seven.
7 big. Okay. Now here I put small numbers and big numbers. You have to say only small number. 0 and 3. Which number is small?
Three.
0. Why?
Zero.
See, 0 is nothing. So 0 is a smaller number and 3 is a bigger number. Look at this number and say which is a small. Which number is small?
Five.
5 and 9 number is there. So which number is
Five.
small? 5. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Now see here. I am showing you one chart. You have to say what do you see in this picture? Tell me.
Clouds. House. River.
River, pond,
Sun.
pond,
Grass.
yes, grass,
Kotak.
bushes.
Well.
What is this? Tell me.
Lady.
Ship,
Lady.
ship. Baba black sheep, ship.
Baba black sheep.
So this is a white sheep. Okay, this is a white sheep. And what is this? This is big tree. And here, yes, here also tree. What is this? Tell me.
Sun.
Sun. You can see the sun. And here, what is this? Can you see? What is this here? One bird is flying. Here, one bird is flying. Yes. Can you see? Yes. Now, say something is missing in this picture. So you have to say which is big and which is small. You have to say to teacher. Okay. Now, see here. This house is there. Here something is missing. I am putting there that pictures. Okay.
House
What
big,
picture?
Flower pot small.
So wait, I am putting these pictures there. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yes, children. Are you ready to say what is big and what is small? See here, one house is there. Yes. Here one house is there. So this is a big house. Now I am putting this house here. Tell me, this is a big house and this is a big house and this is a small house. Just now, see, I put this picture here. Yes, so this is a small house. Yes, yeah, I arrange this. Now, look at this flower. Can you see this flower? Yes.
Yes.
So, now here something is missing. I am putting that. See, what is this? Tell me.
Flower.
Flower. So, where I kept
Big
here?
flower.
Yes, big flower. But where I kept here? This is a place? No. See, here white place is there. Here I have to, here I have to put my flower. See, now you say, this is a small flower and this is a
Big flower.
big flower. Yeah, small flower, big flower.
Big flower.
Here, yes. Now, what is this? Sheep. Don't say rabbit, okay? Sheep. Yeah, sheep. So here, this sheep is big. Now, what is this? This is a small sheep. I am putting here in this place. So you say, this is small sheep and this is big sheep. Yes. Yeah. Can you see pond here? Yeah. You can see pond. What is there in the pond? See here. Yellow duck is there. So one duck is missing here. Look at this.
Big
duck. Yellow duck is small and this duck is big. So, yeah, I am arranging this duck here on its place. Okay. Now see here, look at this bird. This bird is Small.
Small.
Yes.
Small.
Here see this clouds. Some cloud is small. Some cloud is big. Here see butterfly. This is small butterfly and this is big
Big
butterfly.
butterfly.
Ha. Now see here. This is a small bird. I am having this big bird. So bird is sitting on a tree. So I am arranging this bird here. Can you see here?
Yes.
Yeah, bird can fly also. See like this. Okay, wait, this bird is flying this side, this bird is flying this side. Look at this picture. Yes, can you see this picture?
Yes. Yes.
Ah, so tell me what is big and what is small in this picture. See,
Yes. Cloud big.
cloud big, flower is big,
Small. House
big
big.
flower, small
House
flower.
small.
Excellent answer. House small, big
Sheep.
house.
Sheep
Yeah.
big. Sheep
Ah,
small.
yes,
Tree big. Tree small.
yes, very good, excellent.
Duck
Yes,
big.
duck big.
Duck small.
Ha. See here, bushes also small bushes, big bushes, small grass,
River.
big grass. Yes. You like this picture?
River.
Okay. You like this picture? Yes,
Yes.
children. Yes. Yeah, very good, students. Yes. Now, see, we will play one game. I made one game for you. Okay? Look at this. I will make this game for you, children. Okay? Look at here. Huh? See, what I wrote here? Fun time. This is our fun time. Look at this game. See, you have
Yes.
to say, what is this? What is this? This is
Dice.
dice. Yes, dice. This is big dice. This is
Small
small
dice.
dice. What is this? What is this?
Car.
This is big car. This is small car.
Small car.
Yeah. What is this?
Mickey
Ring.
Mouse.
Yeah, Mickey Mouse. Here ring is that. Big ring, small ring. What we are wearing in hand. Okay? Finger ring. What is this? Can you tell me? This is
Ball.
big ball, small ball.
ball.
See, this is a ring. See, this is a ring. I have to play this game. I have to put ring on a small things. Okay? See, I am playing this game like this way. See, which I put ring on red small ball. Okay? You can take bangles of your mama and you can play this game like this way. Okay? Huh? I will show you. Here like this. See, small dice. Here like this. Like this. You can play this game like this way. You also made this game at home and you can play. Tell me, students, you like this game? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you want to play? You come to my house. We will play this game. Okay, children? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? You like know this game? Now, wait. I am showing you one chart. What is this? Can you say?
He's good.
One ball,
Strawberry
no?
big and small. Small and
Yeah.
big.
Balloon, big and
Small
this
and big.
small and big.
Small.
And here, this is
Big and
watermelon.
small.
Yeah, see, I make this game like this way, okay? Here, I have this ring. What I wrote here, circle the object that is big. So, I have to put
Strawberry
this
big.
ring. Yeah, strawberry big. So, my strawberry is like this. I will put this ring like this way. Can you see properly? Yes?
Yes.
See, and this is small balloon, big balloon. So we have to mark
Big
on
balloon.
big. So here I will put my ring here. And this is big watermelon, small.
Watermelon.
So here this is big. So I am to keep like this way. Okay, children. Now, see, now this is a marble. See, this is small marble. This is big marble. We are playing with this marble. Yes? Yes, children. Now,
Yes.
see here. See. You have to say. See, what is this? Tell me.
Flower pot.
Flower pot. Yeah. So this, what is this?
Flower pot
big.
is big. Flower pot is small.
One flower pot is big, one flower pot is small. Like this monkey. See, this monkey is big and this monkey is small. Yes, like this. Yeah. See, now I have such things, some small things, but I have to put in this pot. Some is big, some is small. So I am putting like that way. Okay. See, here I am having the tray like this way, and this is small tray, big tray. So small I will keep here and big tray I will keep here. And I am showing you something. You have to say, what is this? Tell me. Cat.
Cat.
Acha, yeah, see. And what is this cat? So this is a big
Small
cat.
cat
So I
and
am,
big cat.
so I am putting big cat here and small cat here. Look at this. Tell me, what is this?
Umbrella. One
Nice,
umbrella
very-
is big. One umbrella.
So this is big or small? Big. So, so where I kept here? Yes, here and here like this. Yes. No, na. Ha, this is
Here.
small. So small here and big umbrella here. Yes. See, now this is, what is this? Tell me.
Cream.
Ice
White
cream.
is big. Orange
White
is
is-
small.
Ha, so orange ice cream where I have to put in a small pot. Okay.
And white
this
in
are white in big pot. Yes, correct.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes.
Now, look at this. You are having these things in your compass box, yes?
Yes. One pencil small. One
Ah.
pencil is big.
See, this is big, this is small. So, small pencils I had to keep here and big pencils I had to keep here. Okay? Yes. Now, look at this. This birds. Yes?
Bird. Birds. One
Ah,
bird
so
is big.
small. Ha, one
bird
bird
is
is
big. Small.
small. So, but small bird I have to keep here. Yes? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
And this big bird I'm keeping here. Can you see now? Yes?
Yes.
Now, see here. This is, what is this? Cloud.
Clouds.
So,
One cloud is big. One cloud is small.
Naman, very nice answer you are giving. Yeah, so big cloud where I have to keep here, no? Yes? Yes, children? And small here? No, I have to keep big cloud here. Yeah, inside this pot.
Small
And
cloud.
small
here.
cloud here in small pot. Okay? See, now this is ice cream stick. See, this is big and this is small.
Small.
Big I have to keep here and small I have to keep here. Look at this. What I wrote?
Big
Spelling.
here. Big. Small
Yes.
here.
Yes, so I have to put big spelling here and small spelling here. Okay? Yes, small is here and big is here. Can you
Here.
see this? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes.
You like this? Yes. Now I am
Yes.
asking you some questions. You have to give answers of that question. We are revising our portion again. Okay? See here. Yeah. What is this? Say.
Gun.
So which is small and which is big?
He is big. He is small.
Yeah.
big,
Blue.
small, green,
Yes. Yes. Yeah. What is this? Policeman's jeep and policeman's car.
small.
So what is big and what is small?
Brown is big.
Brown. White is small. Okay. Then look at this dinosaur.
One dinosaur and big, purple, big, yellow,
Yes.
small.
Small. Okay. And this is a aeroplane. So this silver aeroplane is
Blue aeroplane is big. Red aeroplane Small.
Small. Okay. Very good. Now, see here. This aeroplane and car. What is big and what is small? Can you tell me?
Airplane is big, car is small.
Aeroplane is big, car is small. Now here, see, this is a dinosaur and this is a joker. Dinosaur
Joker
is big
is
or
small.
joker is
Dinosaur and big.
dinosaur is big.
Big.
Now see, you are using this handkerchief. This is mama's handkerchief and this is papa's handkerchief. You can say which is big. Mama's handkerchief is big or papa's handkerchief is big.
Father.
Father, yeah, father's handkerchief. Very nice answer. Very good, Shruti. Yes. Now
Small.
see, yeah, you are using this pouch. Yeah, in school. This is your compass box. Yes.
Small and
Yeah.
big.
Small and big.
Small and big.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See, now you have to show your compass box and take out two pencils from your compass box. Okay. Show your compass box. Take out your two pencils from your compass box.
One pencil is small.
Okay. Very good. Very good. One is
And
big
small.
and one is small. Okay. See here. I also am having pencil. See, this pencil is big and one pencil,
And
my pencil
small.
is small. Yes.
Big
Then
and
yes,
small.
big and small. Now look at this. You can see these pictures.
Big compass, small compass.
Yeah, big compass, small compass. Okay. Yeah, now show your big scale and small scale.
Big book.
Small book, big book. Yeah. Then, see, whatever you are having at home, you have to see what is small and what is big. Yes, children? Yes. Can you see? Yes, no? Yeah.
Big
Now,
scale, he is small.
big
Scale.
scale, small scale. Yeah, very good. Now, look at this. Okay. Now, you put your things inside your box. Very good, children. And you can see in your house, washing machine is there, fridge is there, TV is there. So, see, washing machine is big.
Big.
And TV is small. If
Small.
refrigerator is there, so refrigerator is big and TV is small.
Small.
Like that. See here, one exercise here I am giving here, big and small. See, this is rickshaw and this is bicycle. So, we have to color here. What here? Color the
rickshaw.
the below bigger rickshaw. So, I have to take color. Circle, no, I have to color. Here they have given the exercise. We have to color like this. Okay. So I am coloring big one. Okay. Now here what they wrote, color the below the smaller object. So this bigger object. So this very small object. What is this?
Small.
Small object. So we have to color here like this. Okay, children? Yeah, can you understand this? Understand? Okay.
Yes.
Now, yes. Now, yes. Now, see, this lion, no? Yes. You like this lion? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Yes? See, now tell me, this lion is big or monkey is big?
Monkey is small, lion is big.
Monkey is small, lion is big. Yes. Now, say this turtle. Who is big and who is small? Can you tell me?
Lion is big, turtle is small.
Lion is big, turtle is small. See, this turtle also can walk like this way. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Yes?
Yes.
So,
Lion is fast.
lion is fast than turtle. Yes. See, now we are using this scissor. See, tell me about this. Which scissor is? This scissor is big. And
One
this
scissor is small, one
Yes.
scissor is big.
Yeah, and look at this. What is this? Comb.
Hair comb.
Ah,
Comb hair.
hair comb. Yes. So this is big. This is small. See here. I am having this diary. I am writing my things in this diary. So this
One
is
diary is big, one diary is small.
six
Blue is-
color of this. Blue is big
is
and
big,
brown
brown
is
small.
small. Yes, brown is small. Let us revise this also.
Mango. Fruits.
Fruits. See. Now tell me, this mango
Big.
is big. Yes. And this one is small. Yes.
Yes.
This apple is red.
Red.
This is big and this
This is
another
small.
apple is small. Yeah. This is orange.
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 Big.
Small orange, big orange. This is banana. Small banana, big banana.
Banana.
Yes. You like to eat banana? Yes.
Yes.
You like to eat apple?
Yes.
You can eat daily one apple or banana. Okay? Yes?
Big friend, small friend.
Big friend, small friend. Okay, see your page number 1 from the textbook and you have to do this homework at home. You have to color with pencil. Don't use sketch pen, otherwise pencil color. Okay? Yes? Yeah. See, Napali, and thank you everyone. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Okay, bye bye children. Yes.